In this video, we will see hierarchical inheritance. When multiple classes derive from single superclass, it is called hierarchical inheritance. When multiple classes means more than one classes will derive from single superclass, then it will be called as hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So example is the grandfather and son relation, or you can say father and son relation. Okay, father and son relation. Okay, think that one father is there, so father will have some property only. He will have some property like some he will have some house. Okay, he will have some land. Okay, so that land and house will be belongs to son, so that property will be inherited to their children also. Okay, and these children again will have some property. So here you can say multiple classes will inherit from single superclass, and this son 1 will not extend son 2. Okay, he will directly extend father only. Okay, I hope you got. Now we will see program of that example. I am creating new class. I will name it as hierarchy test. Okay, then I will write main method. Then I will create class for grandfather. I am taking grandfather class. Okay, I will write program for my grandfather. Okay, so my grandfather has some property like string property. Okay, property, and he has also some hackers. Okay, so we will initialize that using constructor. We will write constructor. Where is that? Okay, then I will write one method for my grandfather. My grandfather used to do farming, so I will write method for that. Okay, my grandfather used to do used to do hard used to do a lot of hard work in field for growing crops. Okay, something like that. So my grandfather has some property. In property I can put house. In acres I can put some acres of land. Okay, so this is the constructor. So you can initialize these variables. Okay, uh, so this is the behavior of my grandfather. My grandfather behavior is farming. He used to do farming. Okay, this is the one simple message. So then I will write one more class. Father extends grandfather. Okay, here again my father will have some property, some extra property. Okay, this property will be extended to my father also. Again my father will have some extra property and extra method. So extra property, what some job I can put. My father used to now doing some job. He got retired. Okay, so for this also, we'll put here for better understanding. Okay, job, and from this current object, this I will use this keyword job equal to job. Okay, I will write some method for my father. So my father is a teacher. Due to that, he will teach. used to teach in primary schools. Okay. uh, and some more method also I can put, like void bought land, some small amount of land he bought. This is some extra method. Bought some land. Okay, so now I will write one more class. Okay, these are the behavior. Okay, now I will write one more class for my father brother. Okay, he will be like uncle only in English. So father brother. Okay. Extends grandfather. Okay, then okay, he is doing some business, so I will write that. Okay. Okay, I'll put here is dot business equal to business. Okay, then I will write some extra variables, and I will initialize here only. I don't want to pass lot of values in while creating object, while calling constructor. Okay, what I will write, double. In business, what will be the properties, like they will have some revenue. That's okay. Okay. Some 2 crores. Suppose I also do. Okay, double expense. How much money they will expend. Okay, and in that business they will hire some employees, suppose 20. Okay, so what business people will do, they will check business profit, all this thing. Okay, so I will write one local variable, revenue minus expense. Okay, if profit is greater than 0 and employees greater than 0, then business runs smoothly. Okay, uh, else if what I will write, profit less than 0, south needs improvement. Okay, else if employees equal to 0, without employees factory cannot run. Okay. Then we will create object for father and father brother. First we will create object for father. F1 father. Okay. Father. These are the property house. What is happening? Acre, 3 acres. Job, teacher. Then we will call that method. Using this, we can call grandfather method also. So my father also knows farming also. Okay. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Then again for father, father brother. Again the same thing will be there. House, acre, 3, job, granite business. So B1 check business. Okay, like this we will create checking weather. Okay, business runs smoothly. Here we can pass some okay. Basically this program is about hierarchical inheritance. So this is the superclass grandfather. So father will extend this grandfather. Okay, father extends grandfather. So all the properties, so my grandfather has 3 acres of land. So he has one house also. So that house will be belongs to, that will come to that, father also will have right upon that house also. Okay, that land also father will have. Okay, with that he will have some extra property like uh, so he is doing some job. Okay, so he used to teach. So for teacher these methods will be there. So this is also one method. Okay, using his saving he bought some land also, some little amount of land. Okay. So my father brother extends grandfather. Okay, this is one more class. So these are the multiple classes, 1 and this is 2, and we can write one more brother also. Okay, so my father brother, what is doing, he is doing some business and he will have some revenue like 2 crores. Okay, 2 crores. Then so in business what will they will have, they will have some money that for running that company. So that is what revenue. So they will invest some money like for labor or some technology, some machines like that. So that is what expense. Okay, so then some employees will be there like 20 employees. Okay, in that factory they will work. Okay, this is the constructor. Okay, this super keyword will call this constructor. Okay. Okay, this is the current class instance variable. Okay, we are passing that also in parameter. So what business people will do, they will check the business, how much profit is there, so how it is going. Okay, they will check that. So here I wrote one local variable profit. So here it will check the profit by subtracting revenue minus expense. Okay, so difference will be 1 crore. So profit is greater than 0. You can write some value like more than 1 lakh also you can write here. So if employee is also greater than 0, then business runs smoothly. Without employees, how can the business will run smoothly? Okay. And one more else if statement I wrote, one condition also, profit is in negative. Okay, in negative, then this message will pop up. Okay. Else if employees also zero, if no one is working in that company due to some problem, then also factory will not be able to run. Okay. Here I am creating object. Okay, this one is the reference variable, a new keyword. Okay, with new code we can create a object, and this is the constructor, calling constructor. Here passing some variables. Okay, and here we are calling this methods. Okay, from here from here it will go to here. No, it not here. Okay, it will go here, this constructor. Okay, from again it will come here, and super keyword will call parent class. So parent class constructor. So again this will go. So these values will be initialized, then again it will return, and this parameter, this instance variable will be initialized, then job. Okay, using this reference variable we'll call this method. Okay, simple. Okay, then this method will go here, this message will be printed, and again this method will go here, again this method will be printed. Okay, this father extends this father also will have this method also. Okay. Then again I created one more object for this father brother. Okay. Okay, he also will have this property of grandfather and behavior also. So okay, this person also knows farming. This person also knows farming. Okay. If I will change this value, I will change this value. Okay. I created to 10 crore. Needs improvement. This statement got caught. Okay, if I will change this value again, next will be printed. Sorry, save I think. Employees are zero. Maybe on the right. Why it is not printing? Okay. Due to this, it is not printing. Okay, now it will print. Okay, this statement got printed. Factory connector. Okay, due to that profit only, it is not printing. Okay, first it will check profit only, right? Then it will check this. Okay, I hope you got. Simple example only. I will not take your much time. Okay, that's it only. Okay.